To add products to your Big Cartel store, follow these steps. Log into Big Cartel. Go to the Big Cartel website and log into your account. Access the admin panel. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the admin panel of your store. Go to Product section. In the admin panel, click on Products from the left-hand menu to access your product management area. Add a new product. Click the Add the Product button to start adding a new item to your store. Fill in product details. Product name. Enter the name of your product. Description. Provide a detailed description of the product. Highlight key features and benefits. Price. Set the price of the product. Images. Upload high-quality images of the product by clicking the Add Image button. Inventory. If you track inventory, input the number of available products. SKU. Add a unique SKU to help with inventory management. Shipping details. Input shipping options if applicable. Save product. Once all the details are filled out, click Save or Publish to make the product live on your Big Cartel store.